Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to my page. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be going back in time and bringing you vlog files. When I was a photographer, when I was a storm chaser and weather photography. I used to do that before I started to cook and before I started to create new recipes. So I'm going to go back in time and show you a part of my life. So thanks for this journey. Let's take it together. I'm always humble and kind. I just want to share a part of my life with you. So God bless, be safe, peace and happiness, and health to your family. Love you. Bye-bye. Mwah. Hey, this is Stan Franklin from Weather Chasing. Out here in the blizzard, 2 p.m. This is the last video I'm doing. Freaking whiteout conditions. It is blasting now. This is a road. You can't even get down it. But it is brutal. My famous words. I'm in the middle of the road, total whiteout conditions. Total whiteout conditions on the GoPro. You can't see anything. I'm in the middle of a 4-lane highway. You can't even see anything. It's complete freaking whiteout. Not a soul to be seen.